Hi, and welcome to section number 4, implementing the page object model design pattern. In this section, we will explain what is a page object model design pattern. We will create one non-POM test example, after which we will model a web page so that we can apply page object model on it. And at the end, we will finish by refactoring test code to use POM. So let's talk about now page object model design pattern. In this video, I will quickly explain what is design pattern and why to use it. I will present idea behind page object model, and we will see some ways how to implement it. So design patterns are some of recommendations and ways how to code so that developers will have the most efficient way how to implement something. We will talk about this in next section more, but for now, we have a page object model design pattern which has a goal to have testing code that we want to be maintainable. We want reducing duplicates in the code. We want to add layers of abstraction, and we want to separate test from technical implementation. We will see all this through examples later on. And one way how to do this is by representing each page of the application as a class with its methods as actions available on that page. Just think about this for a second, and we will see how this can be implemented later. Ways how to implement page object model will be how to classify pages and sections of application under test, then how to identify locators needed for testing. After we do that, we can identify common functionalities on all pages, and at the end, we will create tests from building blocks represented as page functionality. All this will be more clear when we go into the code and see real example.